Here we have Père. Père. So I'll be asking some questions when we are moving on. So Père. Père is father. So then my question is, are we going to say le père or la père? The answer is le père, because père is father. Father is a masculine gender, so we say le père. L-E, le père. Here we have mère. Mère. You understand? So that's mother. Mère is mother. Alright. So the question is that, are we going to say le mère or la mère? Is a feminine, so you say what? La mère. Okay, let me move on. Now, le fils. This is fils, which is son. So, le fils de Marie étudie à Paris. Le fils de Marie étudie à Paris. Ici, fille. That's daughter. Daughter. So, daughter is what? J'ai une petite fille de 5 ans. No. Ici, nous avons frère. Frère, which is brother. So, mon frère joue au football. Nous avons sœur, which is sister. Ma sœur est étudiante à l'université. Nous avons grand-père. Grand-père, ici nous avons mon grand-père raconte des belles histoires. Grand-mère, not grande-mère, grand-mère, as grandmother, as ma grand-mère cuisine très bien. Oncle, as uncle. L'oncle Paul arrive demain soir. Tante, you can say it is auntie or aunt. Nous avons ma tante habite dans une grande maison. Now, cousin et puis cousine. Cousin is a feminine, is a masculine, while cousine is a feminine. So, pour cousin, nous avons mon cousin est vraiment drôle. Ma cousine chante magnifiquement. Ok, nous avons ici mari. Mari is husband. Husband, so here about son mari est médecin à l'hôpital. Why? Ici, nous avons femme. As we are talking about farm, that we go and pluck the fruits or cultivate land. So that's the farm, that's the pronunciation farm. So if you want to, let me put this in here. If you want to learn reading, I have another class for reading. You can join my WhatsApp group so that you have that section of reading, how to read. You learn a lot of things about reading, how you can read very well in French. So you can join that WhatsApp group now. Okay, let us move on. Here you have what femme, which is wife. So wife is sa femme est une artiste célèbre. Sa femme est une artiste célèbre. Vous voyez, c'est un peu ça. Et ici nous avons enfant. Enfant as a child. L'enfant joue tranquillement au parc. Vous voyez, c'est ça, c'est ça. Donc, si vous avez accès, if you have this link or this website by yourself, you can go to it and learn this vocabulary all the time. And then after reading it, if you have any issue, you can contact me and I will also help you in the pronunciation. Especially when it comes to vocabulary, is to know the meaning of those things and then how to call them, how to pronounce them. That's what is very important. So let's jump to another side of this. Although it may be difficult for people that are in A1, but you need it. We call them expression idiomatique. Like expression idiomatique. You see the expression look like something, but the meaning is different. For example, now here I have what? Avoir un air de famille. But if you look at the English words, to bear a family remembrance. You understand? So when it comes to expression idiomatique, I think that are not explained the way they are written. Exactly. Alright, so you have them here. You have laver son linge sale en famille. Now, to settle family disputes or private matter in private. You understand? So you settle private matter in private. That's what laver son linge sale en famille. So they are expression. So if you want to go through the meaning now, so this will give you another meaning, but this is the main meaning of that statement. You understand? So let me leave that and come to a quiz. We have a section for quiz where you learn or when you answer questions. For example, the first one is that le père de mon père est mon dash. You choose your answer. For example, this one now I say is a grand-père. That's how you choose your correct answers, and then you get to the last one. After that, you check the answers by clicking here, and then it will give you the correct answers. If you miss any one, it will let you know this one is wrong. You see, so this website is very good for anybody that want to go for this self exam to prepare yourself by yourself from basic level to advanced level. So I think today's class is all about La Famille. If you have any issue, you can write it in the comment section, and also you can join our WhatsApp group where we have another section that we use to explain other things that we cannot say here online. So please, if you are preparing for test self exam, join that class very fast. So I will not waste your time. I will remind you again, my name is Dieudonné. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.